Hi guys, and thanks for watching our Easter weather update on April 7th, 2023. So today we're going through the high-res charts on the UKV on the weatheroutlook.com to see the weather in detail for tomorrow, which is Holy Saturday, and also into Easter Sunday and Easter Monday. So starting off with the early hours of tomorrow morning, Holy Saturday, we can see that there's a veil of high cloud spilling in from the Atlantic, with some patches of drizzle on the west coast. Into tomorrow, we will see the high cloud sort of getting a bit thinner, so there will be some decent, bright, or possibly even sunny spells with some hazy sunshine poking through at times, and that should lift temperatures to around 13 degrees if we're lucky, or 14 degrees even. Going through into tomorrow evening, we see it staying quite cloudy. I say at this stage the cloud will break a bit into the south, but then into the early part of the morning to also like 7 a.m. the cloud will thicken from the west, and this time it'll be lower. So overcast skies pushing in from the west, as well as some patches of light rain and drizzle, and these will gradually push eastwards across the country. So Easter Sunday we'll see a band of light to moderate rain crossing the country, followed by a secondary cold front from the west into tomorrow afternoon. Into the afternoon of Easter Sunday, and that will also push through. That will be a bit more active than the warm front, I'd say. So there could be some quite heavy rain along that. I'm going to zoom in here into this. Especially into West Munster, East Connacht, and into Ulster, we could see a bit of a scoreline forming. So, that's obviously a line of very strong winds and heavy rain that'll push through. And into Easter Monday, we see showers off the Atlantic and the west, heavy hail, thunder in the mix as well. So obviously the best day for this weekend, this Easter weekend, would be Easter Saturday. Will be Holy Saturday. Dry with some quite hazy sunshine as well. Just look at the temperatures for the weekend. So starting off tomorrow, Easter Saturday, a bit of a cool start, especially in the east. But temperatures will rise to about 13 to 14 degrees if we're lucky. Going through into tomorrow night, temperatures quite mild, but still dropping down towards 8 degrees around that sort of temperature. Into Sunday, a bit cooler on Saturday, about 12 degrees. With rain, Sunday night will be quite chilly, especially in the north, with temperatures temps around 4 degrees there. Further south, around 7 degrees. Into Monday, quite a chilly day actually. Temperatures only reaching 10 degrees at best. In some areas, others only getting to around 8 degrees. And then going to Monday night, it will go cooler again, with possibly a grass frost on high ground on Tuesday morning. And then finally, I'll just take a look at the mean winds and their directions. So starting off tomorrow morning, we can see winds are withering from the southeast. Quite fresh in strength there, especially in the afternoon, especially in the south and southwest. Going into the end of tomorrow into Sunday, Easter Sunday, winds are beginning to strengthen, especially in the west and north. But everywhere we'll see an increase in the winds. Going through Sunday, getting stronger as we go along, easing from the west into the evening. If this will please, there we go. Thank you. Just gonna say if it please load. And into Monday, Easter Monday, winds will ease a little bit from Sunday. So similar to the wind strength, similar to the wind strength from Saturday, I'd say. But in the north on Easter Monday, very, very light winds actually with these pale colours. So that's a detailed, in-depth forecast of the Easter weekend. I'll be doing another one of these tomorrow. But for now, enjoy your Saturday or on a Friday, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.